Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create combined image in CapCut like this. So stay tuned with us. So I will open my CapCut application. So here we go. So here are two projects I created already. So I will click first one, and here you can see there are two images. One is Ronaldo and second one is Messi. So I want to combine these two images in one frame. So how can I do it? So first of all, I will on second image that I wanna combine. So I will click on overlay. So this image has been overlaid, so I will drag into the image. So here you can see my image has been upper at first image. So in this way you can create combine image in one frame. So now I will change background of this image. So I will go back and then click background. So here you can change background according to your need. So hypothetically I will change into a color. So I will select any color. So here you can see in this way you can create your combined image in CapCut. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching.